Today, you are in the world block coding, secondary, Unit 4 variables. What's a variable? Well, you're going to see A is an introduction, B is coding, C is combining, and D is getting creative. Let's go to the teacher and see what this teacher has for us. Welcome, explore the concept of a variable, an important way to store information and make programs more flexible and adaptable. Click the below links to download the lesson resources. The only thing you need today is a student workbook. Your student workbook looks like this. We're going to go through this student notebook and summarize the information that you need and reference page numbers in your Google Classroom assignment. Here's a summary of this unit. You're going to explore this concept of a variable, which is an important way to store information and make programs more flexible and adaptable. It's an important part of coding. And we're going to move through the unit with these goals that you'll be able to identify coding variables, understand the importance while playing, understand real life variables, alter the landscape with coding and variables, and then get your creative project going near the end. So here you could see they give you an example of different types of variables. Now what we've done is we've summarized this lesson A for you, and your first job is to get as far as you can through lesson A today. This is your first step. If you get stuck, click on these make codes. These make codes are not the code that you are doing inside of your Minecraft. You need to have Minecraft open right next to you in order to make that happen. So you need a side-by-side view, and whatever code you do over here, you actually can come back over to Minecraft and you will be able to enter it. So mine is a different letter than yours, but once you've built this code over here, you are going to, let me make my screen a little bit bigger here. You're going to be able to use this share button to give your title, your project a title, and then you're going to have a code that you can copy and come back over here to your code builder, and you can import that URL, and there it is. Now your code that you do here in the tutorial lives here in Code Builder. So go ahead and work on challenge A today, the first couple of challenges. If you need to reference the Google Classroom for more information, please do so.